Hello, good morning everyone. This is my Brassavola. Actually, uh, about 2 years ago, I bought a Brassavola Yellow Bird, but then now I realized this is not the real Brassavola Yellow Bird, and for sure I don't get the true ID. Maybe anyone out there can help me to identify this Brassavola, not yellow bird. You can see actually yellow bird with a long spike and with very lovely bright yellow flower and fragrant. Mine is not fragrant. A bit disappointed, yes, but still I have a new hope. Maybe one day I will get the real Brassavola Yellow Bird. Actually, in my area, Brassavola Yellow Bird is very hard to find. I grow here on the charcoal. I put a bit sphagnum moss around the root. Okay, thank you guys. Happy growing, happy gardening. I will see you later. Bye.